Hi guys! Today I will be teaching you how to make emojis in Zepeto and add it to your YouTube membership. First, let's open Zepeto. Make sure you already installed Zepeto. Let's wait, it's loading. Oh, it's stuck up. Let's do it again. Let's clear it all. There, now I will open Zepeto again. Here it is. There, as you can see, I am in my main account in Zepeto. So if you don't have an account in Zepeto, I will teach you how to make one. So I am gonna log out first. Log out, log out. Just press I agree to all terms and conditions. Now here you can pick your avatar based on you want. Oh, I know what to pick. Perfect. Let's name it anything that you would like. Mine is out XD. Now, let's press next. Here you can see Facebook and Twitter, but if you want your email, press other options. Now, let's use email. Actually, I have a lot of Zepeto account. And I am gonna make another one for y'all. Oh, it's already signed up. Let's try another Gmail. This one better work. Okay, now go to your Gmail, and there should be a Zepeto code thingy. Like this. Now I don't mind showing the password of my out because it's just out. So but never give your password to your non-trusted people. Well, I guess I trust you all, and this is just out. I will save this hee. Now here, and we can also customize our avatar. Here, let me show y'all. Press the avatar sign. Now here. Let's costumize our face. Oop. I will teach you later how you can go here. Let's speed it up. Press the quest and here. Accept all. Now, let's go back to my main and start to make the emoji. So first press the settings button. Here you will see emoji. Press that. I have unsubscribe emoji example here I made lately. Now, let's make an emoji by pressing create emoji. Here is the facial expression style add on your character. Some menus button to add a new emoji. Here is the pose. By dragging the down button thingy left and right, you can make your character go side views. Now, let's add a letters. After you're done, press the check button and save it. Now press the emoji tag you made. Send it to your messenger exec. Now save the photo from the messenger and open picsart. Here is an example how you will fit the emoji on picsart. Drag it but not too much, don't fill the screen. You also need to use the transparent background. Now save it. That's it guys, I hope you learn in this video. Bye.